Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes.
Hello, what's up? I'm Melvin and I am the creator of Mr. Melvin Makes. I really enjoy art making and teaching others about the joys of art and design. And that's why I decided to go to school and become an art teacher. This channel is something that I created to help my elementary art students grow in their art practice. I make video art lessons for people to enjoy and to learn from. I share those videos publicly so that anyone interested in growing as an artist can use them too. Some of my students and friends have compared me to a modern-day Bob Ross. Because we both make art videos, we use kind words, and are gentle and compassionate. Bob Ross and his show, The Joy of Painting, are big influences of mine. And like Bob Ross, I also believe that there is joy in art making. Anyone can make art, and we don't make mistakes. We make happy accidents. Unlike Bob Ross, my videos don't ask you to make the same painting as me. My goal is to help you find your own unique style of art making, and I end my videos by challenging you to try it in your own style, giving you a voice in what the art is about and a choice in how you will make it. My hope is to create a channel with videos about various ways someone can make art. Videos about studio habits, and videos about the elements and principles of art. If you're interested in growing your art practice and think that these videos may be able to help, please consider liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing this with other artists in your life. We'll all really appreciate it. Now, what do you say we get out there and practice the joy of art making? Whatever you decide to do, do it in your own style. So long, artists, take care. May you find peace in your practice.